ordered an iPhone 10 from Amazon, and this is the box it came in. And I will be opening it. This is the contents, the business card that came with it. This is the message on the phone. This is the plug. It's in pretty good shape. The cord. In good shape so far. And this is the phone. It says it's used with AT&T, fully unlocked. From what I can see on the phone, don't see any scratches so far on the front, and I don't see scratches on the back at our arm's distance like it said. Let's get it booted and take the covers off, and we'll see where it goes. Don't see any scratches on the back side so far. No scratches on the front side so far. It is powering on pretty decently. It's taking a while. There we go. Battery's not too bad off. The different languages that's available on the phone. Let's let it get back around to English. In English it will be. Select your and we will be going from here. Okay, I will set up from here. Thank you for sending in a phone. It looks like it's almost new, and let's see how it works. Reviews to come later. Thank you.